Hey guys, so I'm back with another client tutorial, and I'm gonna start off with using my my go-to ColourPop brow pencil in the shade Banging Brunette, and I'm just gonna outline the bottom and the top of her brow and then fill in the middle portion, but leaving the front with minimal to no product because you don't want it to look harsh. So I'm just gonna take light strokes and fill that in, and then we're gonna move on to carving out the brow.
Missy forget Ethiopia. Oh, Ima, what be the matter? Missy, what be the matter? Oh, Ima, what do you want buy? Anything you want, I go buy ya. I be your father, your brother, and your lover. If it is your matter, they make how they feel. Your love ain't be real. Your love ain't be real. As you know, they give me no matter. They make how they feel. Your love ain't be real.
So right here, I'm just going to take my MAC NC42 concealer and carve out the bottom of her brow first, not the top. And then I'm going to take my James Charles times Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with the orange shade, the light orange, then dark orange, then pink, and then light purple, and then dark purple. And then I'm going to start placing that on her lid. So I'm just patting that into the crease of her lid, and I'm just packing on that color. And then I'm going to use the P. Louise number 0 base, I believe, and I'm just going to carve out the crease with that so that those colors could really pop. And then I'm going to take that purple shade, the light purple, and start applying it to her lid. So I'm just going to build up that color until I get it the way I want, and then we're going to move right on up to the next step. So now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to make 2 shades for her, and I'm going to use it as her foundation today. I'm going to apply that off camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. I'm going to list all the shades down below. So I'm just going to use that, put that under her eye, on the bridge of her nose, on top of her upper lip, on her chin, and then I'm going to carve out the top of her brows as well. You guys see me do this a million times before, but you know, I just like showing you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get that done and then move on to the next step. And then I'm going to take this foundation stick from Black Opal in the shade Nutmeg and use that as her cream contour. So it's just like 2 shades darker than her actual complexion, and I'm just going to use that on the outer perimeter of her face. Then I'm going to take my Real Technique setting brush, and I'm going to just pat that into the skin. And I'm making sure I'm patting it, not swiping it away so I don't leave any streaks, and it can look flawless. And then I'm going to take my Instapop face brush from Real Techniques. I'm just going to buff in that cream contour. And once again, I'm patting it in, not swiping it, just patting it in. It gives a better finish to the makeup application. And then I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup Light Setting Powder, and I'm going to just set the highlighted areas of her face. Then take my CoverGirl bronzer as well, and I'm going to go ahead and set her cream contour. And then after that, I'm going to move on to highlight using Mirame from Dose of Colors. Just highlighting the highest points of her face, her nose, her chin, forehead. And then I'm at the final look, and I love the way it came out. It's colorful but subtle, and she just looks amazing. Like, look at her skin, flawless, her eyes, everything. She looks stunning. Thanks you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video.